Programming is hard because it is done in text. For over half a century, we have built software by typing instructions, character by character. This method was designed for machines and never felt natural for humans. AI made us faster, but it also brought three serious problems. First, code review collapsed as teams get flooded with too many pull requests to review. As a result, code gets approved on autopilot. Second, feeding AI full spec does not work because complex requirements make AI drift and hallucinate. Third, security became everyone's weapon as exploits are easy to find while systems remain unprepared. Patching still requires full redeployment and detection fails without prior logging. Text code cannot fix these problems. Reviewing text at AI speed is humanly impossible. Specification drift is a fundamental limitation of large language models. Text systems need full redeployment to patch vulnerabilities or start collecting new data. These are structural problems that need a fundamental solution. Visual programming is precisely that solution. Code review becomes fast because scanning a diagram is much quicker than reading a wall of text. Specs become usable by extracting base components and letting AI generate code for each one. Those code fragments are getting wrapped into visual blocks for graphical assembly. Security becomes structural because every block can be observed and patched live in production. No redeployment is required, and logging does not need to be placed in advance. For visual programming to replace text, it must be both general purpose and powerful enough for large, complex systems. Existing visual languages usually have only one of those properties: generality or power. Pipe is the visual programming language that is both general purpose and powerful. These properties let Pipe complement and replace text code where needed. The EU Cyber Resilience Act makes security by design mandatory from 2027. It requires comprehensive real-time monitoring and rapid remediation of vulnerabilities. It also requires auditable architecture and a live structural bill of materials. Text systems need complex and expensive tooling to comply. Pipe matches all these requirements by design. In July 2026, an autonomous AI agent breached servers of Hugging Face, stealing credentials and spreading across systems. It was contained only after internal monitoring detected it, while the code was already running. This is exactly what Pipe is built to stop. Every block is observable by default, so anomalous behavior can be isolated or shut down live. Such isolation prevents credentials from escaping, embedding detection and containment into the platform. The future of programming does not have to be typed. It can be seen, it can be shaped, it can be understood. This is Pipe.